Okay, let's try exercise 5B. Find the next three terms of the following number sequence. What does this mean? This is the first term, this is the first term, this is the second, this is the third. So they want the next three terms. So I see that this one is plus 3, 2 to 5 is plus 3, 5 to 8 is plus 3. Uh, if I don't know how to get plus 3, I take 5 minus 2, which is 3. So I see that the increase is always 3. So the next three terms is 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, and 17 plus 3, 20. These are my next three terms. You see this part? Okay, for this. So look at the next one, B. 9 minus 4. I think the second one minus this one is 5. So its increase is 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 13. So it's correct. The next three terms will be 19 plus 5. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29. Then 29 plus 5, 34. That's my answer. Okay, for this. The next one. You can give it a try once you understand how to solve this. So I take 56 minus 50. I know it's 6. So it's 56 plus 6, 52. 52 plus 6 is 68. So the next three term is plus 6, 74 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 86. Okay, for this, that's it for this one. So find the eighth term. The next one to find the eighth term of the number sequence. What is the eighth term? This is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So I see that the increase is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So it should be 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and so on. The eighth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 26 is the eighth term. My answer is 26. That's the eighth term of the sequence. You see this one. Okay, for this, the next one, 5, 11, 17, 23. I take 11 minus 5 is 6. Yeah, I see 17 minus 11 is also 6. So it's plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. 23 plus 6 is 29. 29 plus 6 is 35. Plus 6. Then plus 6 is 41, plus 6 is 47, plus 6 is 53, plus 6 is 59, plus 6 is 65. And so on. The eighth term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 47. 47 is the eighth. Is the eighth term. Okay, for this. The next one. Okay. The nth term of a number sequence is 4n plus 7. What does this mean? The nth term of the number sequence is 4n plus 7. The any term. N term means any term of a sequence is this. Meaning, for example, what is the 10th term? 10th term is 4 times 10 plus 7. Calculator, then you press 47. What is the 100th term? 100th term for this sequence, 4 times 100 plus 7. 407. That's what it means. Any of the sequence follow this formula, 4n plus 7. Then I substitute any number of n into it, it will give me the term. So the question asks me for the first three terms. The first three term is when n equals to 1, n equals to 2, and n equals to 3. So when n equals to 1 is 4 times 1 plus 7. The first calculator is 11. Because n equals to second term is half. If n equals to 3, 4 times 2 plus 7 is 15. Then the third term n equals to 3. 4 times 3 plus 7 is 90. So the first three terms is 11, 50, and 90. That's it. Okay, for this is what it means. The next one, find the 35th term of the sequence. So once you understand this, the 35th term means when n is 35. 4 times 35 plus 7. Then you press calculator, you get the answer 1 plus 7. Okay, for this. Okay, for this. Okay, the next one. The n term of a number sequence is 5n minus 2. Find the first four terms. Again, the same thing. First four terms. When n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, n equals to 4. So 5 times 1 minus 2 is 2. 5 times 2 minus 2 is 8. 5 times 2 minus 2 is 13. 5 plus 4 minus 2 is 18. So the first four terms is 3, 8, 13, and 18. Okay, for this, find the 55 term. 5 times 55 minus 6. 273. And that's the answer. Okay, for this, I'll give this a try. And anything you're not sure, I think class is not so straightforward, but once you understand the meaning of n term, you understand the meaning of n term, you know what they mean by the first three terms and any term 35. The rest is quite straightforward. Anything not sure, you can ask me in class. Okay, for this.